So, oh my god, we're black. So, um, I'm eating nuts. So spicy. Okay. What are you? Where are we? Where are we? Oh my god. Anyway, now the speed is fine. My network thought they could stop me from streaming, but it's me. How can how can a network try to beat me? So anyway, you know, I did this bot thing. I sent a message like, let's try sending one. Actually, mm, I don't think I can show you how I'm sending it. I'm using card right now, and it's the same processes. We can uh, shoot it at the code. It's the same thing to do. How I shoot using curl is the same way I shoot using code. So figuring out how to shoot is the same thing as that. Anyway, um, where can we find this? So, so when I'm coding and I'm really interested to do something, I just do it. If I like something, you know, although so I can't do this here because like the oh right, I didn't. Voila. Oh, maybe I'm going to develop. Where is where's my term? Look at look at my term. Just look at it. Um, yeah. Anyway, so what we should. Uh, so what am I doing? Oh, so this is what we are having right now. We have so this is a problem area, the scope, and I'm not sure how passport authenticate does that. Let's just get on some what, GitHub again. Search for some Twitch bots. So this is the homepage of GitHub. Turn on the cursor to generate. Oh, that's. Let me try logging into that. Uh, uh, that's my password. I mean, oh, I have like 69. 69? Whatever. What is this? Fish. So the language would be like JavaScript. Um, this kind of looks like, so it's using just one. I want multiple scopes. I want to see how multiple scopes are done. Scoops. Uh, you said what? And oh, that's yeah. That's fine. So this scope is channel whatever stuff. Um, channel mode. So I can't do anything with that. How many code did I click? I should have opened it in a new tab or something. Something. As code. Let's try searching for the exact code. Okay, this one is code. If we can search for the exact code, I think that will be easier. Right. Also, this looks like now we need to find outschool, 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 outschool. There no outschool. See, then also it's just one. It looks same. Um, user read. See, user read. They have an underscore, and here we have like uh, that symbol. I forgot. So then what's the problem? This is the one I used. Chat, login, user, subscription, user, read. Um, let's try uh, the reference in what I was doing. What was I doing? Send message. Send send chat message. So in here, I need like user write chat, and we can search for that. Um, user write chat. Cool. So there's one that is like scope, user right chat. And why is it not working? Did I do something? User right chat. Oh god. What's on me? Uh, let's not talk because I did so much more and I didn't talk. I should just. I'm muting myself. So I don't know what I did. The thing is, like, this code I did before. Maybe because, like, my network was low. Ah, at least. No, no, no. Oh, hi. Sup? Um,
I'm trying out Rodin's brand new 3D decomposition.
what am I hearing? No, that's not a. Nope, nope, nope. So using the Twitch API, so using the Twitch API, I can send a message. Currently, I have made the code for sending a message uh, using a post request with the client ID broadcaster sender a message. So that would send a chat message to the broadcaster from the sender. I need to make another account so I can test between two two accounts. So I guess like every API developers must have to exposed. No, probably they might have used some without testing. You know, test this driven test driven development or TDD. That's a programming concept that is makes you write good code, and I like to do test driven development. And if you're contributing to something, making the test is like easier. If you make a change later, you can just run the test and try to figure out if something else breaks. Because when you code, everything breaks. Everything. Yeah. So watch out or do test driven development. It's up to you. Yeah. Um, so I'm just, yeah. Maybe nothing. Never mind. Hi, bro. Ray Kenny, what's up? I didn't see you there, but I didn't get the alerts too. You still here? Okay. Hi. Am I hearing something? No, not hearing anything. And we have the alerts, I guess. Sri Allah man. ആരാ സ്ട്രീം അല്ലാത്ത സ്ട്രീം അല്ലെന്ന് ഏഹ്, എന്താണ് മൈൻ പറയണേ? മനസ്സിലായില്ല. ഞാൻ എന്തായാലും എനിക്ക് ഐ ഡിൻ ഗെറ്റ് ദ അലേർട്ട്. Hello, Vandalia. ഞാൻ ശ്രീമ അല്ല എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞത്. ഓ അങ്ങനെ like I was asking like are you still here something like that. Streaming എല്ലാം yeah anyway chill ആണ് bro chill welcome in. What's up Vandalia. Yeah, I'm here. So I didn't get the chat alerts. So I don't know why. Like കുറെ നേരം വന്നിട്ട് I don't I'm not sure like if you like I replied hi after you chatted. Cool. ഞാനിപ്പോ വന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. Nice, nice. Welcome. So I'm making a Twitch bot. So yeah. Right now I can send a chat message using my own account, but that's nothing cool. And also I can show it to on stream right now because I'm using like a terminal checker and and passwords and everything I'll be exposing. So expose no. Yeah. Anyway, uh, uh, what am I looking for? So yeah. So here you guys can see this. ഞാനിപ്പോ വന്നല്ല വർക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കാണിച്ചാൽ മതി പ്രോഗ്രസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. Yeah, bro. Um, but still, right now the chat alerts. I'm not hearing it. Where's my chat alerts? How do I get the chat alerts? All these widgets. Just gonna add the chat box again. Yeah, I'm checking, bro. The obvious. Uh, check the settings. Uh, yes, not the place. This is Streamlabs. Okay. Oh, Streamlabs. ഞാനിവിടെ കപ്പലണ്ടിയും തിന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. So I'm not sure. It's in the chat box. എവിടെയോ സൗണ്ട് കേട്ട് ഞാൻ കേട്ടില്ല. Like yeah. Mm, I think now it would work. Yeah. ഞാനും കേട്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ കേട്ട്. Cool bro. That's fine. Anyway, uh, just going to reduce the sound of that. Okay. ഇനി ഇവിടെ ബഹളം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ ഞാൻ വരും. Yeah, bro. Okay. Now the chat box is fine. Now we can just go back to the code. Yeah, the scopes. So any chat, I can send a chat using the code. What I'm thinking is uh, listen to chat. So if you say some commands, listen to it and reply back. So listening, that's let's do that. We need to keep listening. So listening is using this one. This is the Twitch provided code, and yeah, bots user ID. Well, I am the bot, so that's my user ID and authorization token. Uh, that we get using the auth slash token, I guess, and client ID that I have, and channel user ID. Uh, that's also uh, this one. Uh, so it's fine. So we have this, but for the auth token, in order to get that and to pass that token, I need. So what is this doing? Send chat message. Post um, chat message. This is like a chat message function. And register uh, events of subscriptions. It listens to it. So it listens to what condition, transport, if response. Okay, whatever. It just listens to it. So it just listens to it. Why do I have this function? Send chat message. WebSocket. Uh, Subscription channel chat message. The below messages guys. Send chat message. Wohi ho. Oh, it checks for hey guys. Data payload even text frame is equal to hey guys. Then it will reply back like wohi you. That is something Twitch wrote. We need to change that. Yeah. So data. What is data? We have data, metadata, switch data. Okay. Handle WebSocket message. Handle WebSocket message is JSON pass data to string. So data we get from the WebSocket client. Okay. So huh. Okay. We have the WebSocket. Probably. Hmm. Okay. Um, ഇതാണോ വേണ്ടത്? So let's read the Twitch docs where I got this from. So I could understand like what they are actually meaning. So example chatbot. So hey guys, what and WS was just copy the example from paste in the bot.js file. I can enter not the bot page. But I don't have the auto token right now. So let's see how O token is inside the index.js. So the O token is I'm receiving it here token URL, and so that is some passport function, and function saves the access token. This is the token I need. How do I use that? So or Twitch. So it's like request session passport user. I want to check one thing. I want to check like what's in passport. Like if passport has the access token, some way to access it, then I could use that. So one moment, I'm hiding my terminal. I'll just keep it on the browser sections for you guys. Uh, so here, and I'm going to say it's like passport request section passport. I think that's and so this will be running, and I'll be receiving a okay. Passport has user, and user has data access token and refresh token. So that is something. Now let me just clear it up and yeah. Oh wait, sorry. Actually, let me just clear it again and now we can show it. So, uh, so the session passcode and user data is the data, and we have like access token and refresh token that is on profile. Okay, so access token is the one we need to be using for getting the this one here. The access token should be used here. Then we have the user ID and the client ID and these things. So let me just see that. Mm, which spot? Hello, TC4 Forest Tcast Cast. What's up? Welcome. So I'm making a Twitch bot and Outcast. Oh, oh, you have that Outcast. How? What's good? Um, making a Twitch bot. Yeah, and right now, like I was looking at what was I looking at? So I forgot. I was installing uh, WS, that is WebSockets. So that's done, and I want to import. I hope I hope I can use it like this. Um, something like this, I guess. I'm not sure how the code is. I I might have I might need to change it because this is like ES6 and Common JS. Like both are JavaScript, but it's like standards, like older standard and newer standard, things like that. And that is kind of like a yeah process CMV. We can say this as user ID, right? But I don't need to use user ID. But right now, for the time being, uh, I'm just trying to test it. So I'm not nerd enough to any of them still watching. Cool, bro. Cool, cool. It's cool. It's cool. Um, it's my fingers are my mouse. Um, I'm from Kerala. Kerala is like India, South India. the bottom part. So I'm from Kerala. Yeah, and yeah, I mean നാട്ടിലെവിടെ ഡ്യൂഡ് ഇതൊക്കെ എവിടെ എന്ത് പറ്റിയില്ലേ മലയാളികള് രണ്ടുമൂന്ന് പേര് വന്നല്ലേ എന്തോ yeah Trivandrum right now I'm in ട്രിവാൻഡ്രത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ ബ്രോ എവിടുന്നാ ലൈക്ക് yeah ഞാൻ കെന്നി ഡേ ഫാൻ കെന്നി ഡേ ഫാൻ കെന്നി who's Kenny I'm not I don't know who's Kenny is Kenny is like oh like മേലെ വന്നവൻ like the chat who came before you cool cool yes മേലെ വന്നവൻ yeah mm. Anyway welcome he's a big streamer see seriously he literally said to me that he doesn't stream bro eating kapalandi the spicy ones oh no oh. Yeah like I was asking him something like my chat alerts were not working and min nella so yeah, my chat alerts was not working and I said something and he said something and എന്തോ പറഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ എത്തി അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ എന്തൊക്കെയോ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോ ലൈക്ക് he was like I'm not streaming yeah, okay I use TTS Twitch TTS um മറ്റേ voice thing oh that's a nice thing to use is that like a bot ana or you plug in or something how do you use that huh bot alla just a web page so how do chat talk to it link like share it I will just look at it okay authorize the email like if you log into that and chat will do that and okay I understand huh. I think Twitch TTS okay I see copy or if I click it it goes here so channel connecting use Amazon Poly ആരാ പൊളി Amazon use Amazon Poly. അതെന്ത് കോപ്പാന്താ? Like I don't. What is this, bro? What is use Amazon Poly? It's more smarter. And I ain't gonna hack you. Really easy to. I ain't gonna hack you anything. I ain't afraid of hacks. Hmm. ഞാൻ ഒന്നും പറയണില്ല. Like the thing is, like I'm coding, right? So I'm just want to see how the things are. So it was basically like if I enter Twitch ID കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ uh, the permission page, I think that would show, and from that, basically what they do is uh, listens to the chat, and for every message they play the voice thing, I guess, and the voice lets us write commands, filtering things. So yeah, so അതൊരു നല്ലൊരു cool thing ആണ്. So ഞാൻ like I'm thinking of doing some interactive shit, right? So like it's the Christmas and New Year is coming. So uh, so recent ആയിട്ടുള്ള രീതിയിൽ maybe like I can make some interactive things like something like that. So what this shows is like if you're listening to the chat and if someone says like Merry Christmas, so something like Happy New Year, and again, നമുക്കൊരു if I do like a prompt AI വെച്ചുള്ള ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു കണക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ what can we get? Huh. It's like the Merry Christmas, things like that. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് we can get some cool responses, uh, texture, and if it's an image, I need to connect it to OBS, so I can show that like this image, similar kind of like this image, but this just moves away. I mean, something like that. An image generated on screen using that chat. That would be nice. Like the AI would be generating, but the image generation is hard. Maybe I can ask for donations too for image generation on a comment area. Other nice, that's a cool idea. Oh, that would be nice. That is the image generation, and at the same time, like in this application, like TTS is there. So I think we can do some sound effects. Sound if I don't know the AI that uses that works with sound and everything, image and chat, text. That is the thing I know. So blur, bro. Like ഞാൻ മറ്റേ I am like uh, uh, fighting against AI, but maybe I should use it. So since I'm fighting against AI, I'm saying like no AI, AI, AI. So I'm saying that. So കുറെ AI ക്രാപ്പ് ഞാൻ ഒന്നും കേട്ടിട്ടില്ല. Blur, best streamer. Oh, best streamer supported it. I thought that was an AI thing. This is cool. Bob. Yeah. Yeah, I thought like you are saying something about AI. ഞാനൊക്കെ Oh, is this sounds? Is it playing? Oh, sorry.
The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma.
Let's get
Let's get ready to rumble!
let's go.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Cool. Text to speech. Uh-huh. Oh, Rick.
It's a figure of speech, Morty. They're bureaucrats. I don't respect them.
I don't hear much.
It's a figure of speech, Morty. They're bureaucrats. I don't respect them.
Hmm. The same thing. The AI, they are bureaucrats. Crats. Bureaucrats.
You either die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become a villain.
Cool. Yeah. So ഇത് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ start streaming blur. Okay, that's like a plugin. So can I add emotes and give me stories? Like, ഇത് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. This is nice. I'm going to bookmark. I should bookmark this. I'm going to bookmark the TTS. So TTS and blur. അതൊന്ന് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കണം. Yeah. ഇവിടെ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ affiliated. Seriously. പോടാ. Why? എവിടെ? Blur. Oh, comma. Blur is like you need to get affiliated. So if they say affiliated ആവണമെങ്കിൽ like at which kick can you do? Oh, blur beats and blur channel points to play sounds. Oh, it's like a bot that listens to and the ഒരു points ഒക്കെ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കും and the points വെച്ചിട്ട് play. Hmm. But these things are nice to think about what all interactive things I can make. That way. Getting affiliated. Yeah, and though like I need to have like uh, 20 people at the same time, something like that. 20, something like that, right? Um, 25 followers. 25 followers. I'm like almost like just followers. I think like 20 active chatters. അങ്ങനെ 3 viewers. Okay, അങ്ങനെ. Oh, yeah. Something like that. 25 3. Ooh, പെടും. Anyway, so we need to do that. But yeah, like I didn't post on social media, right? Easy and if you try. Yeah, basically ഞാൻ social media like എൻ്റെ social media like ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. I uh, posted a clip on it, but not officially. Like I said, like I am streaming, right? I didn't say that. So I'm waiting for some like uh, streaming, Twitch streaming on the. Also didn't say that. I also didn't say that. Like you are streaming, Asian, if you try. Uh, I do. Uh-huh. Like what do you do? Uh, എന്തായിരുന്നു last stream? Usually playing games. Uh-huh. Uh, last game. ഏതായിരുന്നു? Like you played with the മേലെ ഉള്ളവൻ? മേലെ ഉള്ള. ഞാൻ പറയണില്ല. Personal webpage. Blur. ബേസിക്കലി ഞാൻ കാണിക്കണ പരിപാടി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോ ബ്ലർപ്പ് പിന്നെ മറ്റേ ട്വിച്ച് TTS ഐ എം ലൈക്ക് കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ലൈക്ക് ആ കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ ഒന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റൂല ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് നൈസ് ടു സീ ദം സോ ഐ ഹാവ് ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ടു what to do. That is nice. Usually playing games. Okay, back to matter. What matter? And the game in the better. Usually playing games. Okay, back to matter. Do you have Motorola? Yes, I do. Why do you ask? Why do you ask for Motorola? എന്താ ഞാൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും I had the notification sound. I was I didn't hear it. Yeah, I'm using the default sound, I guess. Can't check. Can't check. I'm not checking. So, yeah. Currently, like I'm setting the different parts, right? Right now, chat like code ആയിട്ടില്ല, but the code format and everything. Console console in I will send a message. I can send a message. So the same thing. I just need to copy it to the code, integrate that. So send ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So the bot sends a message to the chat, to my chat. And right now I'm looking to എന്താ പറയാ, listen to the chat also. So like the chat says something, and അതിന് റെസ്പോൺസ് ആയിട്ട് സെൻഡിങ് കൊടുക്കാം. സോ സെൻഡിങ് ആൻഡ് റിസീവിങ്, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ തിങ് ഐ എം ട്രൈങ് ടു ഡു. Right now sending is done. I'm looking for the receiving part. So receive ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആണ് like this code is there, and അതായിരുന്നു ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. Okay. ഇത് നമുക്ക് ഞാൻ അതിന് എന്തോ ഒരു പേരിട്ടായിരുന്നു. So client ID secret, session secret, Twitch client ID, Twitch secret. That is the things I have. എനിക്കൊന്നും മനസ്സിലായില്ല. ഞാൻ കോഡിങ് പ്രാന്തരൻ. സോ ഞാൻ പറയുമ്പോൾ ലൈക്ക് ഞാൻ ഭയങ്കര കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് ആക്കും യൂഷ്വലി. But like if you learn programming, things like that, this is kind of interesting to work on. It's like solving a puzzle, right? It's nice. Yeah. token. So ഈ പണ്ടാരം എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലില്ല. ക്ലയന്റ് ഐ ഡി that is like process. We got Twitch client ID. And a letter here and there, but nowhere near what you are trying to do here. I mean, like, do you, what's your programming language? Do you use programming language? No. Sure. Then what are you talking about? Like letter here and there? Leave it. Chill. So let's explore some things. ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് കോഡിങ് കാണിച്ചു തരാം. നമുക്ക് നിന്നെ ഇൻസ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് കോഡർ ആക്കാം. എങ്ങനെ ഇല്ല, no choice, you have no choice. I am drawing this process env dot ഈ പണ്ടാരം എന്താന്നാ എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. സോ എന്താ കോഡ് വരണ്ടേ? ആ കോഡ് വരണ്ടെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ നെയിം, ആക്ച്വലി ഡിസ്പ്ലേ നെയിം അല്ല. സോ ഈ പണ്ടാരം കിട്ടിയത് യൂസറിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ഇത് ലോഗിൻ സൈഡാണ്. നമ്മൾ ലോഗിൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ട്വിച്ച് തരുന്ന ഡേറ്റ അത് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ലൈക്ക് ഇവിടെ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു റെഫറൻസ് ലൈക്ക് ട്വിച്ച് റെഫറൻസ് നമുക്ക് ലൈക്ക് ഈ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കുക ഈ റെസ്പോൺസ് വരും. സോ എന്തുവായിരുന്നു നോക്കണ്ടേ? നമുക്ക് നോക്കേണ്ടതെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്തായിരുന്നു? ആ യൂസർ user user get user. Sorry for so yeah, for a bot ബോട്ട് ഗെറ്റ് യൂസർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ട്വിച്ച് കോൾ നടത്തുവാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് വാട്ട് യു റിസീവ് ഇസ് ദിസ് റൈറ്റ്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കോൾ നടത്തും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇതൊക്കെ കിട്ടും ലൈക്ക് ID, login, display name. Login and display name are the same things. Username and type and the broadcaster type, partner, affiliate, things like that. Description like the bio, image URL, view count. എന്താണ് എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. View count എന്താണ്? Number of times users channel has been viewed. This will has been deprecated. ഇത് ഇപ്പൊ വർക്കിംഗ് അല്ലെന്നാണ് പറയണത്. Get users API endpoint view count deprecation. അത് നിർത്തിപ്പോയെന്ന്. വ്യൂ കൗണ്ട് വലിയ കാര്യമൊന്നും ഇല്ല. ഇമെയിൽ you get the email and created it. So you get this data by if you have the ID of the user ID ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ like you get that. So to get the user ID എൻ്റെ യൂസർ ID എനിക്ക് കിട്ടും. എവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞോ? I was planning to make a game on website few months ago, then stopped because I realized I'm down. Bro, like it happens. ഒരു ക്രിയേറ്റീവ് ബ്ലോക്ക് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽ ഹെൽ ആ ഒരു സാധനം കാണും. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് അബൌട്ട് ഫൈറ്റിംഗ് ദ keep on going. And there are like lot of stuffs to get distracted. So അങ്ങനെ കുറെ ഇതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും. Focus on the current task and keep the others like around, but focus on the current task. Like tech ഭയങ്കര ഡിസ്ട്രാക്റ്റീവ് ആണ്. So what I was thinking is you can actually search for like the user is also called a channel, right? So നമുക്ക് ചാനൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് സെർച്ച് ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ like you get the user ID, right? ചാനൽ ഇവിടെ എവിടെയുണ്ട്. So say your name is like എന്തായിരുന്നു? Outcast. Do you have Tcast? Anyway, so your channel name is that. Like we can do that search and we can find your ID, these things. Email വരുമെന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞുകൂടാ. It depends. Do you get email? ദൈവമേ, എന്റെ ഇമെയിൽ പബ്ലിക് ആയിരുന്നാ? Modify channel, get channel, get followed channel. Like എവിടെ ഒരു ചാനൽ പോപ്പ് ഞാൻ കണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Like I know there's like a get channel thing. I could just search it. Get channel information. Yeah. So ഈ ഒരു so the broadcaster ID wait a minute. So, broadcaster ID. Ah, right. You can broadcaster ID അല്ല ആ സാധനത്തിലല്ലല്ലോ get users തന്നെയാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. It's get users. It's in the get users thing. Yeah, users ID or login. Ah, if you do the get users and login എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ the username and you get the IDs and things like that. So yeah. Bro, can I search for you? എന്ത് പറയണ എന്നാ കോഡിങ് സോ ഐ ഡിസ്റ്റഡ് ടി കേസ് ഞാൻ ലൈക്ക് സ്ട്രീമിൽ പറയണോന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. ആ ലൈക്ക് ഞാൻ ഒരു വിസ്പർ മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കാം ലൈക്ക് what I get for about you, okay? Something would be nice, like ഞാൻ ലോഗ്ഡ് ഇൻ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. I would like to show you that. Into it? Okay. Now I did. Okay. Wait for a moment. TC4. അതല്ലേ? Okay. Alright. So this is the thing I got. I'll share it to you. I think it is. Wait, അയച്ചില്ല ബ്രോ. ഇപ്പൊ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. OBC I can എന്തോ എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. ഞാൻ അല്ലാതായി. So this is the thing I got about you. നമുക്ക് ഇമെയിൽ ഉണ്ടോ? Yeah, email, you don't get an email, but these are the things you get. You get an image of your profile and your account created. See the basic things. The ID is this. That's your ID. So yeah, we can do that code. This is like from Twitch directly. So like you can search for people, search for, but എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Like I get my email. Actually like എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലും email ഇല്ല. I think like I didn't add it or something. I don't know. Or privacy enabled. I am not sure. But these are basic from those, right? Yeah, but created. That is one thing. And like, do you see that somewhere else? I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, like privacy concerns, like which has to protect its own audience. So ഡെവലപ്പർ ആയാലും ലൈക്ക് വിത്തിൻ ലിമിറ്റ്സ് ആ ഒരു ലൈക്ക് യൂസബിൾ ഡേറ്റ ലൈക്ക് നമ്മള് ഓഡിയൻസ് ചാറ്റ് അവർ അലൗ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഡേറ്റയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. And yeah, it's nothing like hacking per se. It's like pure service providing. So നിങ്ങളുടെ എന്തൊക്കെ ഡേറ്റ ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് ലൈക്ക് ഡേറ്റ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we can do moderation things, right? Moderation would be nice. Like scam accounts ആണെങ്കിൽ it would be like recent created ones. So it would be detecting, it would be able to scam accounts കാണാൻ എളുപ്പമാണ് അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ. So things like that. The bot. പക്ഷെ ഇമെയിൽ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയില്ല. എന്താ യൂസ് only the user associated with the access token that provided consent will include an email. Emails for others will be empty. Oh, basically, എൻ്റെ ഇമെയിൽ മാത്രമേ കാണാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അങ്ങനെ ഇമെയിൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റൂല. So email is safe. But if you allow a bot, like you have permission കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ like for accessing your stream or something, then they would be able to access it. But at the same time, like if you are giving access to it, that means like it can provide a lot of stream functions. Yeah. So bro, ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഇപ്പൊ വരാം. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. Yeah. Back. Anyway, maybe. I would probably need, yeah, he's a go. So, another, I think it's the bot user ID. So, to get user ID, uh, yeah, now we have a user ID കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ that is the same thing as the broadcaster ID എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം. I can say it as broadcaster ID, broadcaster tor, broadcaster tor, it's ter. So yeah, anyway, um, broadcaster ID, client ID, token, നമുക്ക് token തന്നെ എഴുതാം. Can write as token. So user ID token, which client ID, broadcaster ID. User ID. So now I need to save user ID, token, and broadcaster ID. Then we can try run this. So the first thing is user ID, then broadcaster, user ID, broadcaster ID, and the copy token. Token is like this one, and this and broadcaster ID എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ ID